Okay, so these blocks, if you have just a couple, they stick together really well. But if you start to put more and more together, they get weaker and weaker. So even just with the 6, if you pick it up, they kind of fall apart. It doesn't take a lot to kind of shake them apart. They are smaller than some of our others, so if you do the paper tube test, they do fit inside. So you can decide for your own family if you feel that that's safe or not. My kids are almost 3 and almost 5, so they don't really put stuff in their mouth too much. So for us, they're okay, but you can choose for yourself.
I turned all around the table.